Did you know? Rain contains vitamin B12. According to Giselle Brand, clinical dietitian at the University of Sydney, states, many microorganisms that occur naturally in nature can produce vitamin B12. Rainwater is not pure water, according to Gisselle, as a rainwater falls through the air and washes down rooftops. Microorganisms can get caught up inside it, and these organisms can produce vitamin B12 as a metabolic byproduct. According to Bruce C. Parker of Department of Botany, University of Washington, St. Louis, Missouri, one of the sources of rainwater that contains the highest concentrations of vitamin B12 is soil runoff. So as the rainwater runs across the soil, it picks up microorganisms that produce vitamin B12 as a metabolic byproduct. Disclaimer: information used based from the research on the internet. Until next time. Ta-ta. Don't forget to press like, share, subscribe, and the notification bell. Thank you for watching.